Thank you all for your attendance at the webinar. And if you couldn't make it, no worries, we have that recorded. We had so many people come out and ask amazing questions that we are making a part 2 to show the exact offering for creative finance. So don't miss out. We are going to quickly cover what is the offering, so the product itself, what support you'll be getting, and the flexibility of our current plans that end on July 21st for the pre-sale. I will also add at the end bonus benefits that you will also receive by joining Coffee Closers Creative. So, starting with the product, why was Coffee Closers Creative created? That's a bit of a mouthful there, right? So, the reason why we created this was because of market conditions. We noticed with high interest rates, prices still relatively high because less people are moving out of their homes due to low interest rates in the past, that there are just less deals on market. You can go and try to look for a turnkey property, but for some markets, like say Boise, Idaho, there are literally 0% of properties that will cash flow. Therefore, in order to be a competitive investor, we've identified that creative finance is the way to go. However, current solutions in this space are either outdated or super manual, so they do not benefit the person who's a W 2 worker, limited time, wants to use that time for their family, and they don't want to set up a bunch of systems. So we've streamlined this process to actually get a creative finance deal. So, why have we separated the two products? Well, our previous product, we love to call it the Zillow for real estate investors. And Zillow is self serve. So, the idea is that you can still use the self serve product if you are a market expert and likely have a really good handle on your strategy. From what we've seen, most of our customers are between a newbie or maybe in their first 5 deals. And they need a little bit more guidance, especially when it comes to this creative aspect, as it's new for a lot of folks. So that's why we have the ability to still do the self serve, but now the creative aspect to really help you get a deal with a community behind you. So, how does it actually work? With Coffee Closers Creative, you have access to properties on market based upon if they are a good deal for seller finance or for subto. Now, if you don't know what those terms mean, no worries at all. We will provide a lots of training as to how you identify these deals, which I'll touch on in a moment. But the idea here is that you'll have a selective view for looking at creative deals. And if I dive, say, into one of these that's a for sale by owner, you will also have the calculator already set up so that it looks at seller finance. You also have the ability to generate offers, and you will have the ability to customize these terms based on our AI model that does optimizing terms. You can review that again within the webinar towards the end portion where Noah goes over it. But you may be thinking, what about the regular coffee closers? What if I still want to self serve and look at things at a turnkey perspective? With the creative plan, you still get access to Coffee Closers Vanilla, as what we call it today. This has the maps, properties based on different strategies for turnkey, house hack, burr, fix and flip, and hidden gems. You could dive more into the data analysis. We separate these two products. Again, is one for self-serve, one's more community-based. And the idea here for creative is taking action. We stripped a lot of the features away so that you can immediately find that next deal. We can help you with analyzing it, with discovering what the best terms are, and for sending out the offer. So it really helps you to nail down that first deal within a shorter time frame than our current product. Do I still get access to vanilla coffee closers? Yes, you do, for that same region that you specified, which is by county. How did you create this? We did not create this in the vacuum. We had a lot of thought to this, right? So we saw the market trends that many deals were not apparent anymore on the MLS. We're all a team of developers. We also partnered with Noah, who he had a great portion within the webinar going through his background, his first deals, as well as how to find a deal on Coffee Closers Creative. We all brainstormed as to how we can make this process seamless because previously it's rather difficult to do without using technology. Over a course of about 2 months, we created Coffee Closers Creative with the idea to help you find that next deal with creative methods. So even if you have a lower income, maybe your debt to income ratio is too high, you can still find a deal, a home run that could work for you. What is my alternative? Well, if you go online right now and search creative deals SaaS product, you're not going to find any. This doesn't exist. You have to take a more manual approach of going towards a software product that allows you to download data. Then you have to look up for each of those property owners what their equity levels are. Then you have to create your own scripts and such in order to move through the process. So there really is not a product that has this ability before, which is why a lot of W 2 workers don't follow this. If all these steps are super manual, who does it benefit? It benefits the people who already have a large network or those that just have a ton of time, maybe someone who just lost their job. And we find that a lot of gurus really target those individuals, not the person who's contributing to society with a daily job, grinding it out, looking to just build their portfolio. So that is the intent behind Coffee Closers Creative and the reason why you don't see any alternatives out there. Now for the community. Why is there a community? Creative finance is not new, but it's not as intuitive to expect because it's not talked about enough. The idea of removing the bank and placing in the seller as the lender is quite new for a lot of folks. With the prior experience that Noah has, the experience we've gained by ramping up on the topic, we believe you do need a set of community to help you review your deals, select the terms, send an offer, ultimately close. Who will lead the community? You also have access to the founders. So us as founders will be leading the community and we will likely have experts come in time to time to give other perspectives. How does the community benefit me? You have the ability to ask questions and use resources that will help you close on your deal faster. Real estate is all about timing of when you purchase your property, when you're analyzing deals, when you're deciding on markets. By being able to be a first mover on all three pieces, you can really benefit to grow your portfolio at scale. The community, we will help you do so. So, how does the community work? Is it just a bunch of random Zoom calls or a Facebook group? No, not at all. We've taken detailed attention to making a community that will work. So it is hosted on Circle. You may have used Mighty Networks in the past. Circle is actually the derivative of that. Employees who worked for them realized there were a lot of issues. They created a brand new platform called Circle. It's really intuitive to use. If you've used Slack before or you've used Teams, then you'll be pretty familiar on split sections. And I'm going to walk you through really how this works. So you will have access to Creative Closers community where it's access to many different areas. So we have discussions. So this is where you can ask direct questions of events, resources, and products. So let's go over to discussions. So one of my favorite is Ask. This is going to be your space where you can get peer learning if you want a deal review. Maybe you want to do it with a peer who's also investing in your area, have a separate one. With a coach, you could just say, hey, does anyone have 5 minutes this evening to walk through a deal? And this gives you access to network with other folks, and who knows where that network could take you in the future. Questions about the property, location analysis, terms, and negotiation. So, us as coaches will be here in this space looking frequently to see if any questions are asked so that we can immediately answer. As you gain experience, you could also help others in their questions. What's great about this space, you don't have to sign up for any social media. It is just straight your email. You will have access to this. It's also available on mobile too. Going back to start here, ways to learn. We will have a series of live events, office hours, group coaching, and monthly webinars. If you can't attend live, no problem. You can go to our event library. We have differing times to really support both West Coast and East Coast. But if for some reason there's a large cadence, maybe 2 weeks where you just can't attend any of the timings and you need to have a separate session with a coach, please do let us know. The discussions, as we mentioned, also a lobby just to ask any question you may have. Any newbie question is allowed. You can ask, what is creative finance? Why should I even invest in real estate? This is your space to feel comfortable, confident, and have a private community to ask questions. As we said, we will have resources, and based upon the areas that we see as the main pain points, we will, of course, always try to solve it with technology. We will also have some courses that are offline so that you can quickly get up to speed. Who are your coaches? Your coaches are the founder team. Now, I can't guarantee you this 12 months later when creative is off the charts and we have a ton of users. But one of the best parts about being a first mover is that you get direct access to each of us. Now, for those who have been in my following for a bit of time, you know I do not do one on one mentoring. I don't do it because it doesn't scale. So, this is literally your only chance to be able to get one on one mentoring with a data specialist in the real estate space. Also, creative specialists, product specialists, and experience specialists. One of my favorite parts, which I will be adding even more resources than you see today, is the Creative Finance Hub. This is your go to hub to learn about creative finance from beginner to hero. We have top podcasts, we have top books, which one of my favorites is Wealth Without Cash. If you're thinking of doing a book club for it, let me know because maybe I'll set that up and we can go through each of the sections and have it as a discussion. I also have here some links. I'm going to be adding a lot more, but some of them that you saw over the webinar are quick benefits for the deals for a seller, and also how does seller finance quickly benefit a buyer as well. We are looking to democratize a space as one that was previously so confusing to navigate through, not doable for someone who works full time or is limited on time. We will be creating visuals, courses. We will also have group sessions so that you can have everything you need, not in an information overload, but very digestible, just like how we've done in our platforms, where everything is very digestible to understand. We will be doing so in our community as well. How long will I have access to the community? As long as you have a subscription. The minute you cut off your subscription, your access to the community is cut as well, which is pretty standard across communities. You could check out alternatives for creative finance communities, and I will tell you, some are better than others. Some have more hand holding than others. The ones that have the level of hand holding that we will have are about 10 to 50 times the price. So just beware of that. Offering. What is the price that you are offering? This is the price we are offering. Link is below. For this limited deal, to get access for your county. So, for example, I live in Tampa, Florida. My county is Hillsborough County. Tampa has about 1,000 listings. If I go to Zillow right now and I look at what's for sale in Tampa, it's about 1,000 properties that are single family and multifamily. Now, if I look at Hillsborough County, the entire county, it's about 4,000. So with county, you get a lot more. And if you wanted to go on a monthly plan, we do have slight restrictions in terms of how many offer letters, and there is not private one-on-one coaching. You will have a 33% discount to $99 a month, which is pretty bananas because, remind you, this is including not just Coffee Closers Creative, but also regular vanilla coffee closers. So you get software for this price and coaching, which is very, very rare. Then when it comes to yearly, this is where you get the best deal because on top of that 33%, you're also getting an additional 20%. You are getting unlimited offer letters and you are getting private one-on-one coaching. How are the regions divided? As I mentioned, they are by county. The issue with that was just like I mentioned, for Tampa, a city, about 1,000 listings, but for Hillsborough, 4,000 listings. So we noticed when we looked at the data for most cities, you get a lot more when you look at it by county. And it's also a lot more simple to understand. Now, what happens if my market is in two regions? Well, if your market is in two regions, that is two separate subscriptions. What I suggest is starting off with one part of the market. Typically, from what I've seen, maybe on rare occasions, is a city truly 50-50 in two different counties. Usually it's 60-40, 70-30, or 80-20. I would go with the county that is larger or encompasses more of that city you want to target. As well, when you are starting and investing, you really should narrow down where you want to invest. Zip code is still fairly large, so really we try to aim for neighborhoods. How long will this deal last? This deal is for a pre-sale, so early adopters. Just like when iPhones used to come out and there would be a line of people outdoors, that's what early adopter means, someone who's taken advantage of a product before it really becomes mainstream on the market. This pricing that you see here, we will not have this pricing again. I guarantee you that, because if it was my choice, I would actually charge 4 times the price, but I have been outvoted by my founders. So we will keep this price until July 21st at midnight. This is really dependent on where you are at within your real estate journey. So if you are very newbie and you're deciding on what markets you want to invest in, as well what your strategy is, then you may want to go towards coaching with someone who has a little more experience in that aspect of the data, which is myself, Ariel Herrera. Now, if you already have an idea of where you're targeting, you know exactly the time frame that you want to close a creative deal, then I would suggest doing a one-on-one with Noah, since he will have a lot more experience with title, attorneys possibly if you need that, and more when it comes to setting up payment. He'll be able to help you with all of that. What is my alternative? Your alternative is to wait and you will not see this pricing again. And I also can't guarantee you that you will see the unlimited factors as well. These features that we have, unlimited offer letters, private one on one coaching with one of the founders, is a rarity that you would see across any product, and one that I doubt we're going to be offering again, at least at that such a low price. So if you'd like to get coaching or you want software for creative, as I mentioned in the previous questions, there is no full streamline software for creative finance. It's a lot of pieces that you have to put together, which for a lot of people is difficult if you're a W 2 worker. For pricing, this is our lowest pricing. You're welcome to wait. However, I can't guarantee you'll be able to get it at this pricing as well with all the features that are currently supported. All right, so I hope I've answered each and one of your burning questions, but of course, there's always a little bit more that we're offering. One of my favorite offerings here is direct founder access. You are getting access to each of us, all four of us, myself, Leah, Maddie, and Noah, to help you close on your next deal. We want to be in your corner to support you because the more we're able to help in your journey, the more you are successful, but the more we get to know how we can improve our product. You are also getting a team of developers plus investor developers. This is really, really important. Where I've seen a lot of SaaS product fail in real estate is because it's built by someone who they are an investor, which is great. They have a great idea, but then they hire developers who have no clue about how real estate works. Is that you have these products developed not by real estate investors, a lot of times people that are overseas. And so you see a lot of errors, a lot of data quality issues, and this can impact your bottom line for your investment and your future. So regardless if you use coffee closers or not, I would tell you, ask every single product you use. Who is developing this? How do I get access to the developer themselves? And how many deals have they done? Now, a little bit out of order here, but the third one is top features at no additional cost. So remember, we have here for pricing that if you go yearly, which is almost 50% off from our original pricing for yearly, you will get access to your county, unlimited offer letters. You will also get private one-on-one coaching. And you will also get, which we don't have listed here, but the optimization feature that will also be automatically included with a pre-sale subscription. And I cannot guarantee that afterwards. So with that, I am so excited to see where you will go in your journey. If you have any additional questions at all, feel free to email us at info@coffeeclosers.com. And I cannot wait to see who will become the next closer.